Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export a video on DaVinci Resolve. So once you're done with your adjustments, go ahead at the bottom and click the last one, Rocket Deliver button. And now you will see this option here. Now to render entire timeline, you need to choose this option. If you want to choose some specific options, you want to click this and then you're gonna select what you want to render. So now once the entire timeline is selected, you want to go ahead to the left side, and here you want to enter your file name. I'm just gonna write that too. Now you want to choose your location where your file will be exported to. So you want to browse. Now, once you're done with that, you want to go ahead here on video option and leave the format to QuickTime, codec this one, the resolution, you can choose whichever you want. I'm just gonna leave it like so. Or we can do that Ultra HD, which was chosen. Now you can restrict the quality if you want to. And once you will be done with that, you will click Add to Render Queue and your video will be exported. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.